Hello everyone! For the introduction, Cheetah Holding Berhad was established in 1997 and is based in Kuala Lumpur. Their main activity include product development, product design and more. Cheetah Holding Berhad has subscribed to the right issue of 239,005,000 and the excess right share of 95,008,000 referred to as Warrants C, and RM1 cent per right share, which RM23,095,000 subscribed. For the next slide, I will pass to the next presenter, which is Shazlia.
Thank you, Tasnim. Before invest, most of investors may do fundamental analysis towards Cheetah Holdings. Thus, there are many pros investing in warrants of Cheetah Holdings such as high returns, good value price to book ratio, and good financial health. However, good value price to book ratio is one of the most advantageous in investing towards Cheetah Holdings. This is because since Cheetah Holdings price to book ratio is below than 1, which is 0.7. Besides, Cheetah Holdings has good financial health since their debt to equity ratio is 0. It indicates that the stock is worth to buy in overall due to undervalue and lower risk. Hence, the investor can gain high returns since Cheetah Holding also showed has one of the most active security in warrants markets. Now, I will invite Shuhada to continue this presentation.
Thank you, Shazlia. Now, there are 3 cons of investing in Cheetah Holdings warrants: unreliable and unsustainable dividend yield, poor value of price to earning ratio, and delusion of shareholders. Their dividend yield is recorded at 0%, causes the shareholders to lose interest since Cheetah is unable to pay the dividend. Next, their PE ratio is very high compared to industry and market ratio, which result in an overvalued stock that investors might not be willing to purchase. Lastly, dilution of shares has reduced shareholders' voting rights in the company, which resulted in them leaving. This also raised a concern in misusage of power by the remaining shareholders with the higher voting rights. Overall, all of this has caused Cheetah Holdings stock price to plummet. Next, I will invite Najwa as the next presenter.
Thank you, Shuhada. There are many types of company warrants such as call warrants, put warrants, bond warrants, and harmless warrants. However, for Cheetah warrants type is put warrant in the money. A put warrant is in the money when the underlying share price is below than exercise price. For example, Cheetah's current warrant price is 6 cents is lower than its exercise price at 18 cents. Price declines in the underlying asset will benefit the holders. It means that when the underlying price rises, the put warrant price falls. The holders of put warrants have the rights to sell the underlying asset at a predetermined exercise price. In addition, the movement of interest rate will affect the warrant price. Simply put warrant price declines as interest rate rise. Thank you. Now, I will pass to Shuaida.
Thank you, Najwa. The valuations of Cheetah Holding indicates that the option is in the money since the market price is more than the exercise price. Investor can purchase the security since it is safer for investor to purchase shares regardless of current options market conditions. Furthermore, it shows that it has a positive premium indicating that the warrant is overpriced. As a result, it will be profitable for investor to purchase back when the warrant price is lower in order to benefit more. Next, I will invite Nurul Hani as the next presenter.
Thank you, Shuaida. Now, as you can see, there are 3 components in relationship of Cheetah Holdings with the performance of securities market, which are unexpected inflation affect interest rates, the announcement of news, and economic growth. All of these components has a huge impact towards price of stock warrant since it may influence the Cheetah Holdings performance. So it can trust investor decisions whether to purchase warrant or not. This is because it has reflected the Malaysia's economic condition since it indicates the company growth of Cheetah Holdings. Next, I will invite Tasnim as the next presenter.
Thank you, Nurul Hani. We can conclude from this report that investors should be aware of the increased risk as a result of the lack of predetermined duration of the investment. Cheetah Holding Berhad is also well known for attracting investors to purchase warrant in order to raise capital. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.